We're out here today, Trail Hero Yukon Gear and Axle Run on Dead Broke, an awesome trail in Sand Hollow. I brought nothing to play with this year. I full-on rock started. I flew in for the event and I basically borrowed the Dynatrac JL for a couple days, and we've been out here climbing over rocks, having a great time, playing around with this Jeep. It's kind of nice to have someone else's rig, so I don't have to worry about it, but it worked great out here. It's fun to wheel out in Sand Hollow, tons of traction. Pretty much these JLs, you don't need to modify them too much to tackle almost any trail out here. Today's trail leader was Dustin Sexton from Sexton Off-Road. He's a great trail leader because he's all about just like keeping the group moving, making sure if you need a spotter, he's there for you, but if not, you're responsible for yourself to get over the rocks, and the group just keeps rolling along all day long. He did a great job leading the trail. We had tons of fun.
Well, I'm Dusty Sexton with Sexton Off-Road, representing Yukon Gear and Axle out here. We're on Dead Broke today. We just got done running the trail. We've been having a great time. Started off this morning, hit a couple of gnarly little obstacles that nobody really had a hard time with at all. We got one hung up in the middle of the trail, but other than that, it was pretty easy. Nice 7 trail for us. We had a really good time. You get some pretty good climbs. Everybody with our group was real well set up and did really good. We had Ian Johnson out there today with us, and he spotted a bunch of people and had a great time. You know, the Yukon lockers help. 95% of the group out here is on Yukon gears and Yukon lockers. Got a gear down, they run a bigger tire rolls over a rock way better, gets you up in the obstacles, climbs ledges a lot better. You know, and the Mickey Thompson's grip, the Mickey stickies make walls just like they're not even there.